Going to a nature cat to a rant isn't fun. Ha 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 ha. Like that. They're all done. Now let's start moving into the nets. What? Oh my god. This show sucks. This is this and best nature cat. That's going into a failure adventure nature cat sucks. And how in this season the scene. Daisy the bunny into change an extreme Mary and squeaks into see that. Nature cat sucks. The Good Dinosaur in the best Disney and Pixar. That's went into a Thanksgiving into 2015. The Wild Guard of a best into a nature cat and around. Rocky, how dare you innocent into a random and nature cat? That's it. You are grounded in the 4 years. But Dad, I'm so sorry. It's the best nature cat. I don't care. I don't have BBM's kids. That's it. First punishment day. Or first of all in Spain. Oh no, not Spain. Every day but Spain. No, 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 no. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, 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 yes. Get in the car now. An operational airport. Look at the alarm. Can I help you? About Spain and one ticket, please. A guy. Here we go. Thank you. And this is a rookie. We're going to Spain, and I don't want to escape into Spain. I told you there what I'm talking about. So goodbye. Mom, this sucks. I don't want to Spain the Mario Party 10. This is the best around to my nature cat. 15 minutes later. Mmm. Mmm. Addition. 5 and 23. And then 5 and 27 and 3. Welcome to the airplane into the airport. You enjoy the scene. Enjoy your flight. At an airport finish. We have now the floor in 2014 and do the airport then functional. Enjoy the scene that. Extreme Mary. Have a nice day. Why you don't go to Spain? Local to enter Spain and doing David and the airport. And now it's in the extreme and scene and doing actually it's a Spain. Everything no parking. Later. Oh no. I'm going to the speaking Spanish and do a Spanish and don't like it the Spanish. Want to speak it the Spanish. Spanish do like it as won't going to Spain. Well, if I can't anymore to this. Wow.